Why MISUMI is important? MISUMI is important to speed our things. It helps us to speed up our activities, what we do. We are injection mold, sheet metal, pressure die casting company, people are sitting here, manufacturers. How MISUMI help us? It helps us to increase our speed. When I talk about my company, we used to make 10-15 molds in a month. Getting MISUMI and other partners like that, we are able to manufacture 30 molds with the same facility. So that we have outsourced all these things to them and put in their heads. Because they have facilities, they have a price. Sometimes we have to keep price away, which we take to manufacture maybe a week, 10 days, 20 days. That's how MISUMI is helping us, all of us who are sitting here, to get our work speed. That is important nowadays. Customers are ready to pay, but they want speedy work, which MISUMI is helping us.
We manufacture state-of-the-art conveyors and conveyorized automation for electronics, automotive, and a lot of other sectors, for warehouses as well. So, I'll tell you a small story of how we got associated with MISUMI. Around say 7 to 8 years back, we received an order from Manesar. Now, there they had a compulsion that okay, all the parts should be MISUMI make only. And that is when we actually, came to know about this brand, and we were like, "बहुत महंगा है, very expensive. How to do it and all that." And then it was a compulsion, so we did it, and we supplied all the things from MISUMI. But ever since then, like say 7 to 8 years now, the MISUMI team has been in touch with us, and when we had a pricing concern, so they resolved it. Delivery concerns, they resolved it. And now many of our parts like profiles, bearings, a lot of other things come from MISUMI itself. So yeah, that's the association we have now with MISUMI. And with the launch of the economy series, we believe in future maybe
basically in automation industry, there also many people has talked about, because in these type of companies, crisis management is very important, because turnover may be ranging from 30 crore to 100 crore, may somewhere about 200 or 300 crore. So people are not so much managed about the schedules. So MISUMI is a very beautiful place, bridge to have timely delivery.